Oh, it's okay. Look it, they literally share. Isn't that nice? Say hi, Milo. Say hi. Wow, you guys actually share. For that, I'm gonna give you another treat. You want another treat? Huh? Want another treat?
Who grabbed that?
Want another cracker? Huh? Want another cracker? They always love crackers. Hi, I'm on YouTube. Yay! How funny. Like this. Yeah. Yeah, that's good. Uh-oh. You dropped it. You dropped it. You know now. Oh no. They're racing. They're racing for the cracker. The beauty of the cracker. Oh man. Too bad there's no more. Look at them. So adorable. Look. I can give you another cracker. Another cracker? Go ahead. Want another cracker? Go ahead. So cute. You're so cute. So cute. So cute. So cute.
Hello.
Hola. So cute being together like a little family. You're so cute. You're so cute. So cute. You're so cute, huh? Okay. I'm going to grab another cracker you see here. Whoever finishes gets to have the cracker. Give another cracker to him. You can just. Whoa. Oopsies. Oh, there's always another cracker. Okay. See, Saren's always carrying. Okay, you two, you have enough crackers. Okay, you had enough crackers, and you both know it. You both know it. So don't even dare want more crackers. You got enough. Plus, there's even some on the bottom, so you can get some there.